So the other day I was talking to a friend and we were talking about me finishing my degree. And so they asked me what it was. And I said, well, I'm getting a multidisciplinary studies degree. And they were kind of like, what? What's a multidisciplinary studies degree? And so, I felt like that was a really good opportunity to describe the MDS program and what it can do for people like me that are 31 and returning to school after about a year break. I had a child during that time. And I started school when I was 25, and I kind of just took a bunch of 100 level classes, like a lot. And so I needed to find a way to put those together into a meaningful degree. And when I looked at MDS, that was kind of the way to go. I mean, it could take all of these credits from all of these different disciplines that I had taken, and it could roll them into something that was meaningful to me, as well as giving me the opportunity to choose more classes to complement my career. Because that was the thing. I mean, I wasn't really looking for a degree to start somewhere new. I have an established career. I just need a degree to get a promotion. And so at this point, I was kind of baffled about what I could do and what my options were. And when MDS came along, it was like I knew it was the answer. It allows me to choose things like leadership certificates, so that way I can hone my leadership skills and make me a better employee for the place that I work, which is at Boise State. And so I think in the long run, a lot of people get confused about what the multidisciplinary studies degree is, but once you explain it as like a way that you can take all of these credits and make them work towards something meaningful, it becomes a really attractive degree program.